Wow. Oh, the wood is no good. The wood is no good. The wood right here is no good. Have to replace the wood. Side right here. There's one more hot bush over there. Have to replace the whole chimney flashing. The chimney flashing no good. Have add a new flashing, one siding. That's bad. Add in the wristband, remove the power vent, change the power jack, redo this HVAC, redo HVAC, redo the chimney flashing, change the pipe boot out. This house should be fine. Yep, just change out all the components on the back side. Add on the wristband, add on the wristband this side, wristband on that side. We should be good. Well, what a shitty ass job. Yep.